Hello YouTubers, today I am going to show you how to create AdSense account for earning money, new method in 2020. It's very simple, so let's go to the tutorial. Open your YouTube apps, go to your channel and copy the link of your channel. That's okay. Now open your Chrome browser. Search there by AdSense. Right there, AdSense account. And click on sign up to AdSense. And click on get started. After opening AdSense page, paste your channel link on URL of your site. Then give your email address by which you made your YouTube channel. Then sign on yes and click on save and continue. Then click on continue in YouTube. So there you are. If you filled up 1000 subscribe and 4000 hour watch time, then YouTube will show you the next direction. After linking AdSense account on your YouTube channel, ads will be showing on your video, and after this you can earn money from YouTube. So thank you very much for watching my video, and thank you very much for being with my channel. Thank you.